Hi, are you finding your video link? This video solution for you. For that, log into your YouTube account and click the channel icon and go to YouTube Studio here. And go to content here. These are the list of our videos. Then select which videos link you need and go to the cursor to the video and click the edit pencil icon. And here your videos link available. So just click the copy video link here and paste it anywhere you want for social media or other official purposes. So I think this video is very helpful to you. So if you feel this video is helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel now to get more videos from me.